In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Whether you're looking to annotate, highlight, or simply add a personal touch to your PDF documents, the pen tool can be an invaluable feature. I'll take you through each step in a way that's easy to follow, ensuring you can master this tool with confidence. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open your Adobe Acrobat Reader DC application. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you have that sorted out. Once you have it open, the next task is to load a PDF file. Simply launch the application, and at the top left corner you'll find the option to open a file. Browse through your documents, select the PDF you want to work on, and click open. This is your starting point, and having a document ready makes it easier to practice as we go through the tutorial. Now that your PDF is all set up in the program, take a good look at the left hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find the toolbar that houses various functionalities. The button you'll want to focus on is labelled as Draw Freehand. It might have a pen or pencil icon beside it, making it easier to identify. Click on this button to activate the pen tool. This feature essentially lets you add your own strokes, drawings, or handwritten notes directly onto the PDF. It's a versatile tool that's particularly useful for educators, students, and anyone who needs to sign a document digitally. With the pen tool activated, you now have the freedom to draw on your document. Simply click and hold on the area of the document where you want to begin your drawing or annotation. As you move your mouse or stylus, your strokes will appear on the screen. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. The nature of freehand drawing means it captures your natural style. This tool is great because it allows for free expression, making it easy to emphasize points or add personal touches to a document. A few tips while you're working with the pen tool. If you make a mistake, there's no need to panic. Acrobat Reader DC offers an eraser feature as well as undo options to make corrections. Also, try experimenting by changing the color or thickness of your pen in the settings for varied results that suit your needs better. That's all it takes. By following these straightforward steps, you can leverage the pen tool in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC to its full potential. Whether you are a professional working with documents daily or someone handling occasional paperwork, this feature can truly enhance your productivity and creativity. Thanks for joining, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful as you explore all that Adobe Acrobat Reader DC has to offer.